Write 3 things you are grateful for is one of the internet's most repeated well-being exercises. A randomized experiment with 958 adults suggests the format may be too shallow. Participants completed one of 6 activities for a week. Long-form gratitude letters and essays produced broader subjective benefits than short lists. Social and non-social gratitude lists did not differ from an active control on any outcome, while an unconstrained list did improve gratitude and positive affect. The lesson is not that gratitude lists never work. It is that depth, freedom, and social meaning can change the result. The Australian experiment separated 2 features. First was target, gratitude toward people, or gratitude for non-social things and experiences. Second was format, a longer letter or essay, or a brief list. A 6th group tracked ordinary daily activities as an active control. Participants wrote privately and were not instructed to deliver letters, avoiding the extra effect of receiving a response. After 1 week, researchers compared changes in gratitude, positive and negative affect, life satisfaction, elevation, connectedness, and indebtedness. This was a test of writing design, not simply gratitude versus doing nothing. Overall, long-form writing produced greater subjective well-being and related outcomes than lists. Social letters were especially effective for feelings such as elevation, gratitude, positive affect, and life satisfaction relative to social lists. The letters were private, so sending them was not required. Longer writing may force elaboration. What happened, why it mattered, and how another person contributed. That interpretation is plausible, not proven. The important experimental result is simpler. Participants assigned to deeper writing reported broader improvement than those assigned to short, constrained lists. The list results were not all the same. Social lists and non-social lists did not differ from control on any measured outcome, but an unconstrained gratitude list, where participants could choose any topic, increased gratitude and positive affect versus control. Restrictive prompts may make the task repetitive or force entries that do not feel meaningful. Freedom may matter as much as brevity. This is also a warning against copying a template exactly because it was popularized by a successful book or app. A prompt is part of the intervention, not decorative packaging. A larger Brazilian online trial adds evidence and a major caveat. It randomized 1,337 adults to gratitude lists, hassles, or neutral events for 14 days. Only 410 participants were included in the final analysis because of attrition. In that analyzed sample, gratitude increased positive affect, subjective happiness, and life satisfaction. But the neutral events group often recorded positive events, making the control resemble gratitude, and the enormous dropout weakens confidence. The study supports possible benefit while showing how self-guided online exercises can lose most of the original sample. Gratitude writing can also backfire when it feels compulsory, minimizes real hardship, or creates pressure to feel positive. It is not treatment for depression, trauma, unsafe relationships, or burnout. A letter toward someone who caused harm may be inappropriate. The studies measured average questionnaire changes, not moral improvement or biological transformation. If the exercise produces guilt, indebtedness, or rumination, change the target or stop. A neutral reflection on what helped today can be more honest than demanding gratitude for a situation that was genuinely bad. A research-aligned version takes 5 to 10 minutes. Choose one person, event, or ordinary support that actually mattered. Write what happened, why it mattered, and what it changed for you. Do not force 3 items and do not repeat yesterday's answer simply to complete a streak. Keep the letter private unless sending it is safe and genuinely wanted. Try the practice 3 times in 1 week, then notice whether mood or connection changes. If shortlists feel better, keep them unconstrained. The strongest rule is meaningful elaboration, not a fixed number of bullet points. The evidence does not reduce gratitude to a guaranteed happiness hack. It shows that intervention design matters. In a large 6-condition experiment, long-form letters and essays outperformed several shortlist formats, and restrictive lists often looked like ordinary activity tracking. An unconstrained list helped selected outcomes. Another trial found benefits among completers but lost most participants. If you use gratitude writing, make it specific, voluntary, and deep enough to contain meaning. One honest paragraph may do more than a perfectly maintained list of 3.